Woke up this morning, I'm feeling like I'm on top. I keep leveling up, I wonder when I'm gon' stop. I swear my anxiety got my eyes straight glued to the clock. Always wonder how many followers watch when I drop that musical influence that's been true since my true sense kicked in. Yeah, you can keep your 2 cents telling me that I'm a nuisance. Always ignore my prudence. Yeah, they hear the sounds but they never follow the movement. This is teacher to student, this is already proven. I'm the one like I'm Newton, I blow it up like Truman. Told them you cannot see me, you gon' have to go zoom in. Told them that I'm just blooming, telling me that I'm confusing. I feel it, I got no ceiling. With every single track it gets more revealing. I seen too many bad hands lead to dealing. So check every flow I'm feeling. My power level a trillion. You can treat me hero or villain, I'm too real to be a feeling. My transition is instant, go ahead and finish your sentence. God flow, feel the transcendence. And that's just how I'm gon' end this. You can't fight the feeling. You can't fight the feeling. It won't stop. You can't fight the feeling. You can't fight the feeling. It won't stop.
Woke up this morning, I felt like $1,000,000. Western Union confirmation, Cavaliers got me up them free bands. I look in the mirror and I say, King, what's up? I love you, self, today's a good day. Now let's run it up. Phone call from the goddess.
Damn, babe, lay us up.
Alton Sterling, gunned down working. Cold blood, they murking us. For what? What's the purpose? To own us? 1,000 years been too long, PSA.
It's over.
Refocus. That's automatic nowadays, my people life on overload. Mind cage, where's the booth? That's my escape. We're modern slaves, that's no debate. Men wage is coin change. We make it shake like coins change. Making change with coins. The flow up like Kundalini, the killer like engine steaming. Reality start to sink in, no longer that dreamers dreaming. No thoughts manifest the things now your family and team eats. It's undeniable when you win in that.